Hi everyone, this is Rich. What I want to do is show you how to install Putty on your Windows machine, Windows 7 at home. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a browser. I'm using Google Chrome. And I'm going to go to the class website. That's at sims-teach.com, sims-teach.com. And up at the top you'll see a resource button. If you click on that, you'll see all these resources you can use for the course. Under Tools and Software, I'm going to select this one here, Putty SSH Tools. Okay, now I want the putty.exe program. Let me get that first. Okay, say yes, save it. And it's saved. Show it in folder. There it is. I'm just going to put it on the desktop. Okay, and as long as I'm here, I want to get PSCP so we can do SSH secure copies as well too. Let me click on that one. Say yes, save it. And we'll show it in folder. And I'm just going to, for now, put it on the desktop. Okay. Let me close these windows. So to use Putty, it's pretty simple. I just double click on it. I mean, there's no installation. It's just a single program. Say run, and let's make a connection to opus.cabrillo.edu. Okay. And the first time you connect, it's going to ask you, it's going to give you this warning. And go ahead and say yes to this. And I'm going to log in using my instructor account, rsims. There we go. And to log out, I'll just hit exit. So that's using, that's installing Putty and then using Putty. If I want to add Putty to my start menu, I'm going to say pin it to the start menu. Now whenever I click on this, I'll see Putty. I like to have it up at the top, so I'll put it up at the top. Now whenever I want to click on Putty, it's right there on the start button if I got my desktop full of windows. Okay, now PSCP, this doesn't have a graphical user interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the Windows directory so we can use it from the command line. So let me bring up, go to the C drive. I'm going to put it in the Windows directory here. Okay, there's a bunch of this window. The reason I'm putting it here is because this is in the path. So let me put it in here. I'm going to have to be administrator, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so now that's in Windows. Okay, I have a previous version of Putty in there too. Some people like to keep it in here rather than keep it on their desktop. So if I wanted to use PSCP now, I could run a command line. Okay, and I could say PSCP, let's do -H, get help screen. So there's the PSCP program. So you could copy files now using SCP, Putty SCP, between your Windows computer and, for example, Opus. Okay, more on that later. Let me close that, and let's end this. Just to summarize, we've installed Putty, and we've installed PSCP.